Hello everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to stop Windows from auto-downloading hidden spyware. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel. Now let's get started. So to stop Windows from auto-downloading hidden spyware, the first step you're going to take is to disable delivery optimization, okay? This prevents Windows from downloading and uploading update files to other PCs. So to do that, you're going to right click on the Start, and then we'll click on Settings. So at the settings, you're going to click on Windows Update. And then we are going to click on Advanced Options, okay? So I'm going to scroll down and then I'll click on Delivery Optimization. So we are going to turn off Allow Downloads from other devices. So I'm going to turn this off and then you can close your settings, okay? So this is the first step. The second step is to turn off Optional Diagnostic Data, okay? And this reduces the amount of data Windows sends to Microsoft. So to turn it off, we're going to right click on the Start and then we click on Settings. So at the settings, you're going to click on Privacy and Security. And then at the Privacy and Security, we are going to click on Diagnostic and Feedback. So here we are going to turn off Improve Inking and Typing and then View Diagnostic Data, okay? So to turn it off, we are going to click on the down arrow and then we toggle this off. Then I'll do the same thing to the View Diagnostic Data. I'll toggle this off, okay? So this is how to turn it off, okay? So this is the second option or the second step to turn off optional diagnostic data. So the third step is to disable suggested content, okay? And this stops Windows from downloading promotional content. So to disable that, we are going to right click on the Start and then we'll click on Settings. So at the settings, I'm going to click on Personalization. Then I'm going to scroll down at the right pane, then I'll click on Start. So at the start, you're going to turn off Show Recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off. And then when we are done, we'll click on the System, and then we'll click on Notifications. Then we'll click on Additional Settings. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. Then I'll click on Additional Settings. So here, I'm going to disable the Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. Okay, so I'm going to disable that. And then this is the third option. Okay, so the third option is to disable the suggested content. Okay, the fourth option is to turn off background apps. Okay, turn off background apps. So to turn off the background apps, but this prevents unnecessary apps from downloading data. Okay, it prevents unnecessary apps from downloading data. So to turn it off, we are going to right click on the Start and then we click on Settings. So at the settings, I'm going to click on Apps. Then I'll click on Install Apps. So at the Install Apps, you are going to select apps you don't use, okay? And then under Background Apps Permission, you choose Never. So let me show you one with one of my installed apps. So let me scroll down. I'm going to use Facebook for demonstration, okay? So let me scroll down to, let me see. I think I've bypassed Facebook. Okay, let's see. Facebook, okay? So I'm going to click on the three dots. Then I will click on Advanced Options. So here you see I've already turned mine to Never. Initially, it's on Power Optimize, which is the recommended. So I'm going to turn it to Never. And then this is the fourth option, to turn off background apps. Okay. So the fifth option is to disable automatic app updates. So this stops Microsoft Store apps from updating automatically. Okay. So to do that, you're going to open the Microsoft Store. And then we are going to click on the profile icon here, okay? And then we'll click on Store Settings. So you're going to turn off App Update, okay? Automatically download and install app updates, okay? So I'm going to turn it off. And then here you can specify the pause duration, okay? It can be 2 weeks, 1 week, 3 weeks, per your preference, okay? And then when you are done, you click on Confirm, okay? So this is the fifth option, to disable automatic app updates. The sixth option is to set your connection as muted, okay? Because Windows limits many background downloads on metered connections. So to set your connection as metered, we are going to right click on the start and then we'll click on settings. At the settings, we are going to click on network and internet. And then we are going to click on the Wi-Fi. If yours is Ethernet, you can click on that. Okay, so I'm going to click on the Wi-Fi and then I'll click on my Wi-Fi connection. So here you see I've already turned on the metered network, but the default it is turned off. So you have to turn the metered network on, and then that is it. Okay, so this is the sixth step to set your connection as metered. Okay, so let me close the settings. The seventh step is to review startup apps, because some startup programs download files automatically. So to review the startup apps, you are going to right click on the taskbar and then you click on Task Manager. So at the Task Manager, we are going to click on Startup Apps, okay? And then here you can go through the startup apps and then you disable apps you don't need, okay? And then you disable apps you don't need. So that is it, okay? This brings us to the end of this video. You can watch how to block annoying pop-ups here, okay? Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.